terrible as always. Point trains. I don't mind doing it like this. The steps to get there and everything I know off the top of my head, like butter. It's just not like doing it the way I do it, where I don't pull the very right way. But it's unfortunately toast. We're gonna keep it because maybe I can replace the friction.
Or even just have a backup, like if you need it.
Yeah,
but
we'll never need this one. But and then we got a pilot bearing, which is still like perfect from last time, but we're gonna put a new one in it because I can. And then that's it. All right.
so this is the new clutch that we unboxed yesterday for you guys in the video. Just got it all cleaned. What's the weight on the flywheel? 12, 14 pounds?
Don't look at what I'm doing so that she has tank.
What are we doing?
I'm doing a thing.
What are we doing?
We're making you pass tech, however you have to. Let's just say that her oil pan is completely dented. Not gonna lie to you and tell you that everything is amazing, but it's really gonna be okay.
We can try and pretend that we are real. I think I'm losing my head. What's it like to be dead?
Fuck. Feels so crooked.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
when I get it in. That'll be easier, then it won't wipe off. Let's do that. Alright. Here goes nothing.
Ready?
So this bell housing, we don't take this out because that's just a lot of work you don't need to do. And And you can do it without clearing anything, but because we're here now and I haven't done it before, these 3 fins hit this when you're pulling it out. And that's the only reason changing a trans on these is a pain in the ass, because you got to clear it by this. So I'm going to get rid of that problem and just cut the fin out. And I think it's got enough support that it's not going to break or anything. So.
Later.
Like this? Okay. I can play with you. Come on. Okay. You wanna play rough? Okay. Uno. Say hello to my little friend!
Okay, so we are back at the shop today. We ended up not being able to get it completely done. We stopped at about 2 a.m. last night and ended up going home just because we were tired, fighting it, getting frustrated, all that good stuff that happens when you're working late. Say hi. How you feeling this morning?
Like $1,000,000.
So we stopped for the night, and we think that between the motor mounts being completely blown, which we're gonna do hopefully after this event, and also possibly the clutch is a little bit shifted down, like it's not completely lined up. It is fighting us to go in, so we're gonna pull the whole thing back out, get that lined up hopefully without breaking anything, and then start from square one again. So, yeah, we're just gonna try and see what it's hitting, make sure that it's not hitting anymore, and then put it back in. So that's today.
I put the clutch alignment tool in and it went in and out like alright, but it was kind of sticky. I was like, that's kind of sticky. And it wasn't exactly dead center, but I thought it'd be okay. It wasn't okay. I loosened the bolts, we Loctited them, put it back down, realigned it, blah 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 blah. It's straight. It's butter now. It's gonna go in. So, it's exciting.
Goodbye, morning rose. Hello, vanity. Curse that pretty song that put you in this sleep. Says she wants to die. You wanna know, but you won't ask why. She laughs at broken bones. You think she's cool, but she's all alone.
What's up guys, we filled the engine, filled the trans, primed the oil pump, and the clutch so far feels good. We've never tried it, so here's the official first start after new clutch and flywheel. get some. Cat. This is kind of a poopy weld, but 3-inch to like 2 1/4, so here's what it is. No leaking. This is just the past park check, kind of scary. I'm slipping still. Hey babe, give it a rev. Yeah. What's up guys, so this is the outro of the video. We're terrible at ending videos. Put a solid weekend in on Kay's car. We got the new Clutch Masters FX250, their lightweight flywheel combo, which kicks ass. Run it in my car, works great. It's another matching. We deleted a cat, made an exhaust skid plate, cleared some trans, did full oil change, transmission fluid change.
Let's do Costco.
Alright,
We're going for it. Costco's
we're gonna
coming after you.
T-bones for everyone at park. We're getting steaks and chicken bakes and...
So if you guys see us, we will be at park come Friday. We're going to have the big trailer, PABST drifts, our cars will be out there.
So we're actually also have kind of an announcement for the 20 people that watch this. We're bringing in limited edition merch to park.
So we just got new shirts. Shout out to Contain Chaos for those. He definitely hooked it up. Yeah. The CC apparel. And then also he designed some new stickers. So we're going to have like bigger slap. That's pretty simple. We're going to have one for each car. So that's kind of cool. Yeah. Color scheme wise.
That'd be cool. We're young.
Yeah.
Like to have fun. We like to party hard and drive harder. Thanks guys.
See you next time.
Closing time.